Alright, today on the auditions for the Academy of Weird Sounds is Greg, the Smosh Sound Mixer. Really cool to be here. It's like in front of all those people that I listen to all the time. Well, today I have a piece for you that is very intricate, and I think you will very much approve. I'll just get to it because I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, if I can get my phone out, I don't need this. Shut up! Shut.
You're my favorite pizza. You're my favorite.
This is what I had all the
Oh my God, when he threw the microphone.
It broke.
It did break.
I feel like that's how dogs perceive music.
Yes.